In this video, I will show you how to turn on the heater in a Kia Sportage. This is perfect for those chilly days when you need to warm up your car quickly. First, press the engine start button to start your Sportage. The engine must be running for the heater to operate. Now look at the center console, just below the infotainment system. This is where the climate control settings are located. Kia Sportage has automatic climate control that allows the vehicle to automatically adjust the cabin temperature based on the settings selected by the driver. Just press the auto button and then select your desired temperature by rotating this knob. The system will automatically adjust the fan speed to reach and maintain this temperature. The system automatically regulates air distribution between the footwell, dashboard vents, and windshield to optimize comfort. You don't have to constantly adjust the temperature or fan speed. The system takes care of it. However, you can also manually adjust the fan speed and change the airflow direction. If you want to heat the cabin faster, press the recirculation button. This will recirculate the warm air inside the vehicle, preventing outside cold air from entering the cabin. But do not use it for too long as it may fog up the windows. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe to Wheel Joint for more car tips. Thanks for watching.